Hello guys, Siemens Ringtone in all 30 pianos. 30. First piano. So I made this Siemens Ringtone. You see, Siemens Ringtone. I press play back. This is I made. I made this after I recorded it. So it's time to go to the organ. Org 24.
I learned how to draw this.
Simply draw? What do you mean simply draw? Now piano. Not at least another piano at piano keyboard. Music studio. Not at least Sennheiser. Piano Pro, that's gonna be so hard. Guys, I'm playing this so slow because make sure I didn't get it wrong. Now the piano in Palace Studios. I think I need to turn on the internet because look, it shows the piano. See, it shows the piano. It shows like this because it's no, I think it shows like this because it's on no signal because of the internet issues. It's connected to Salon, but why is it not working, dude? Let me just restart it again. The piano. Come on in Palace Studios, you cannot just only crashing. I think the piano broke down. I think it broke down or something, or having no signal. Oh, in Kitchen 24 because we were down at the level 1. Is it connected? I'm not in Amoeba Fiber. I'm in Kitchen 24. I have to restart this one more time. We're over at 30 pianos. Oh, there you go. Oh, why does it keep doing like this sometime when I'm going to in Palace Studios? And not at least module, Korg. But not at least our org. Let me go to organ because it will be the same sound. Keyboard slim. Chica Chica Slim Shady. Alright, let me turn off the internet because of the ads and the free trial, and we'll mute it. There you go, we're in the piano. That sounds awesome. I'm pressing the C, F, G, E. Alright, let me turn on E and make Siemens ringtone. There you go. Oh, it's powered off, alright. Portable org. Not at least piano infinity. Free play, okay. Piano. Okay guys, wait, it will come to good shape again. Sorry guys about the shape, it will come in good shape again. Here now, it's now in good shape. Octo Studio. Sorry guys about the shape. Okay guys, I'm sorry about the shape. Now, real piano. What does that mean? I really don't believe. Cold? KOLD, what does that mean? This piano is so huge and tiny. I think I'll make a Siemens ringtone in this a real piano, but okay, baby piano. Beanie Boo. Beanie Boo. That's a brand new 2020. When you're at melodies, you go right and it shows you instruments. You press on the piano. Piano HD. Oof Piano. Firemark Studios. I'm making Siemens Ringtone and sometimes Siemens Ringtone with SIEMENS. Piano. That's gonna be so like so thick. I have to make it a get good side. Now it's time to piano with songs. Freeze trial. I'm going to electric piano. I'm going to electric organ. So Siemens Ringtone is more sounder like electric piano. So virtual piano. Okay, let's go ahead and try that one. No internet connection. Let me connect the internet back and close up the internet because the ads. Cancel. What the WTF and quit me? Come on. What WTF? One more? It says no internet connection and still a connection. Stupid internet. Alright, virtual piano 1. Alright, it's loading. Stopping the internet. I hope there will be no ads because my iPad still works with ads with no internet, but just only one time. Because I just wasted an ads. Hello, mate. Oh. Why does it say loading? Oh, there you go. Like this. Oof, piano. One more oof. Piano. Oh, one more time. Just only the last one. If I failed one more. One more failing. No, one more fail. God damn, I'm stuck in this freaking piano. The end of the video, so Timpy, okay.
Timpy.
Piano. Piano. This is only the third one. Chinese piano. So this is the second Chinese piano. Not at least mini piano light. So the end of a total 30 piano video.